You have to clamp. You see the two moving parts?
Yeah.
You don't want them together. And you only had one there, then you just extend it.
Yeah.
But if you had two, I would still say extend the radial rather than spur from. So what we're going to do is push and pull.
Yeah.
Push and pull because else the grub is going to come out. So we push it and pull it. Hi there, Delaware again from Eastway. Just after this job, I think it's just a little job, is to install an extra point. With a client, she's got a socket on one wall and she wants one on the opposite wall. So it's just a matter, I think it's floorboards, lifting up floorboards and all that. So I told Dami to come along so he can get experience how to do that, because I don't think he's done that before. So hopefully he can do most of the work so he can get some experience. So we just go there, get on with it and see how it goes. This is the culprit, right? So you got that there, and where do you want it?
So basically just in the corner there, so
Yeah.
actually directly opposite that.
Okay, you see that one's on the wall like that?
Yeah.
Do you want it like that, or do you want it chased into the wall?
So I think these walls are really thin.
Oh, okay, cool.
So I would say just,
Yeah, okay, that makes sense, yeah. Right, well the thing is, if it's very thin, we could come up in a bit of trunking.
Okay.
Is that okay with you? Or
I think that's probably the best way. Basically behind it, there's like the bathroom's got like all the works to the toilet behind it.
Right, well we wouldn't be going that deep. If we do, it wouldn't be that deep.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do that then, because it's slightly better than trunking.
Right, yeah, chase it in, but put the box surface. That's what you want. Okay, cool, we do it like that.
Sweet, okay.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you. Yeah, that's the fuse board there, Dami.
Where is it?
No, yeah, it's upstairs socket probably. But yeah, that's what it's going to have. Anyway, we'll find it. Right, okay, cool. So in that case, we're going to have to, hold up. No, this is singles. So, hold up. Is that singles? I don't know. No, is it singles? You know what? Because depending what's behind there, because if she wants it chased in, that means we're going to have to chase this side in. Maybe better done in trunking, just that bit down, I think. Because this is probably, this isn't going to be twin and earth because it's floorboards. It's going to be twin and earth, I would have thought. But it looks like singles. We'll have to have a look at the back of that box. Hold up, let's just see. Let's see the situation. I'm hoping that your upstairs sockets is different to your downstairs sockets.
Oh, don't worry about it. If you need to turn it, if you need to turn it off down here, that's all right.
Main ring, kitchen ring. So if it's a main ring, kitchen ring, that means the upstairs. Listen, if you need to, have you got an extension lead?
Yep.
You can plug it from the kitchen.
Okay.
Because if we switch off the rest of it, the kitchen's on its own circuit.
Oh, right. Okay.
So if you plug into your kitchen, then you can plug your computer on, yeah?
Oh, yeah, all right, I'll do that.
And then maybe we'll run our lead up so we can use that as well. Just switch, so we can just kill that circuit upstairs, yeah?
Yeah, I see what you mean.
All right, cool. Earth block here with all the earths in it, usually. So when you're doing, when you're installing a new point, you have to check the bonding.
Okay, yeah.
You have to make sure. Now, I can't see any bonding out here. That's where it would usually be. That don't mean it's not bonded. Could be bonded somewhere. Well, here's the gas pipe. There's the gas pipe there, yeah? It comes in through there somewhere. Right, I can see some earth wire behind there. You got, I suppose, that's in the rigs. You have to check for the bonding. I can see some earth wire behind there, yeah? Telling me that it's bonded, but what we'll do, I assume you still have to do it because you know the regs change all the time. But I'm sure you still have to do it. Here, come over here. Here, grab on that. You stay there. Okay, mate. Stick this one in here. Right, push it in. Clamp these together. All that. Clamp these together. But what you have to do, you have to clamp. You see the two moving parts?
Yeah.
You don't want them together. You want the two solid parts together. So no. Turn it around. You want, no? Yeah. No. You want what you want this part, go and open it against that part.
Oh, okay.
So the two solid parts
Yeah,
are together.
yeah.
Okay, and then you put this on, oh, put it there. It's hard when I'm showing people. Right, okay, so, right. Press the test button. Yeah, it's there, 0, yeah?
Yep.
So take these apart. Those zeros should come at the top, yeah? So that means it's auto node, yeah?
Yep.
So cool. So what we do now is, and I think it's hard to see, if we stick this on here, put that on there, yeah? Then we go outside. Right, so now, if you put that firmly against that thread, this thread here, push it there against there. What's that?
0.60.
Well, that should really be 0.05. Oh, come over here. That's the water pipe. What's that saying? Let's go inside. See what we get here. Yeah, put on the. See what reading you get. Come down a little. Give me a bit. I can get a good. Right. 0.26. Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's bonded. Yeah, the readings should be 0.05. But I remember once I got that reading and I thought, oh, is it that terrible?
Yeah.
So I phoned up the NIC and the geezer said, yeah, that was all right. Although it's in the regs, it should be 0.05.
Yeah,
So
I remember that.
you never know. Maybe it could be to do with that connection. Shows, look, that is clamped to that, and the earth is clamped to this. So it's all.
Okay.
So maybe if I took that off, which I'm trying to avoid, and go straight onto the earth block, straight off to there, I might get a better reading. But at least it's earth. How it's earth, I don't know, but it's earth. So as far as I'm concerned, that's it. Job done. So now we can start. Got to do all that before you can start.
Yeah.
You know? Disconnect the whole thing, because I'm sure that's going to have to come off anyway. Let's see. Yep, it's a conduit. I thought so. All right, that's all good. That's not a problem. Yeah, in fact, that might be even better. Yeah, take that box. Hold up there, mate. Yeah, you're gonna trip the RCD, but still take it off because none of it doesn't affect what she's doing. We can switch that back on. What are you looking at, mate?
You said disconnect it?
No, that's it. No.
Oh, okay.
No.
I thought you meant to take it out.
No. If you don't get what I'm saying, ask.
Yeah, okay.
Don't be looking wondering. If I tell you something and you're not sure, just ask me.
Okay.
And I'll tell you. Because you're thinking, I took it off, how do I disconnect it?
Yeah.
Got me very, because it's easy to. Okay. Just take it easy when you're doing this, damn. Just don't rush. Because I tell you, if you do rewires, when you go into places where they've got tongue and groove, you want to see what they do, what people do to it. Embroidery. Even there, see that?
Yeah.
Sometimes you can't, you're careful, but it still happens. What the hell is this? See, if I try to run along here with, say, a saw or something, or your circular saw, look. I think this is all conduit. I think what they've done, even though it's floorboards, they've done the wiring in conduit, which I remember back in the 70s doing some flats in Highbury, and that was floorboards, but they've done it in conduit as well. But it's not usually the case. When it's floorboards, it's in twin and earth usually. Yeah, so now, to make yourself safe, you want to knock out these nails. Keep hold of them because you've got to put them back in. Yeah, cool. Let's try. Oh yeah, we need this one near there to get up to the wall.
Yeah.
So we'll do this one as well. This one here, I'm going to try and knock these in. See if it makes it easier to take up. Because they're near. I'm not going to do that to all of them because when you go to put them back, you might have a problem. It won't be holding properly. Just these two because they're right at the edge there. You know, it's hard to get them up sometimes. It might help prevent you from damaging the board, you know. See, these are, yes, your conduits there again. Right, what we're going to do first is try and, we need to get down there. Get down there. What I'm thinking here, Dami, it's a ring, yeah?
Yep.
And she's only got the one socket. Now, I can just push one cable down and make that a spur. But what I'm thinking is, because of the number of points, she may want to pick up another one at a different time, right? So what I'm going to do my usual thing of extending the ring, rather than just putting one down and making it a spur. That means, say she wanted one on this wall, further up the wall, she can just spur from it.
No problem.
Right? So, without any problem. If she wanted another one on that wall, she can just spur from it because it's the continuation of the ring. So it's just future-proofing it.
No problem.
You know, that's what I think that's the best thing to do. Okay, so, right. Hold on. Let me get the drill. You see that van?
Yeah.
There's damp getting in that van ever since I've had it. Because look at, I get rust on my tools. It's a joke. Look, my tools got rust on it. Like the right, that's all right. No more damage needs to be done. It's all good. Like I said to you before, I don't know if I said it to you, but you can put cables in the wall, like you don't need to put this in.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know that. I only found that out when I went to do the 18th edition. So you, as someone learning, what do you reckon? Looking at it logically, what do you think?
For putting in the wall?
Yeah.
No.
Eh? Do you think it'd be better?
The trunking as well.
Yeah, better to use this, isn't it? That's what I would have thought, but Red's no better than us, they do. Yeah, that should be okay. Just put a couple of clips in to hold it. So what we'll do, if we, hold up, I don't know if we, actually, I might have to knock out both these knockouts because they're only small. These are like 16. I forgot what the old thing was. Oh, that we can probably. Try and widen that. I'll probably give myself aggravation. So I'll just knock out the other one. So if you feel underneath, Dami, can you feel that hole?
Yep.
All right then, so push that cable up the hole. Just the one cable, not two. That's it, yeah, pull it up. Long enough to go up. A little bit more. That's it. Let's have a look. See what you got there. A little bit more. It's always a little bit of stuff. Okay, cool. So, all right, so let me go and get the rest of the cable. Okay, let's have a look there. So what you got there? Right, that's enough. Yeah, that's probably enough. Yeah, okay. Straighten them out. Put them through. Make sure you've got them side by side like that. Hold on, wait a minute. See that one? Watch out. So they're not twisted against each other. Let's see there. Alright. Push one through one or one through the other. See if you can do that. So push. You can push this down, get it out.
Oh, okay.
So that's it. Yeah. No. That's fine like that. Look. Oh, wait there. Let me show you. That's what it's like. Just to make it easy for yourself.
Okay, I thought you was. I should have bend it. Okay.
So what you want to do is push and pull.
Yeah.
Push and pull because else the grommet's going to come out. So you push it and pull it. Right. Put the other one in now. Then you can push and pull off. Pull this one up out your way. Watch out. So, what you want to do, you've got that into that position now. You just want to, if the grommet comes up, you can always put it back in. Yeah, what I'm saying to you, mate, is that I should have pushed them underneath here first. Yeah. What I was trying to do. You see, the thing is, Dan, like, say that was a radial circuit.
Yeah.
If that was a radial circuit and you only had one there, then you just extend it.
Yeah.
But if you had two, I would still say extend the radial rather than spur from the radial.
In case you wanna.
Yeah,
add.
that's that's the whole reason why I say that. Because if you look around, she has got sockets in this house.
And then you would have to do the same job twice.
Yeah. So if someone came, say she said, all right, I want another socket along this wall, I want one along that wall, or I want one in the passage, and this was the easiest way. A lot of people would just take it from there without thinking, maybe, I don't know. But you're not supposed to spur from a spur. Yeah. Right? So what I'm saying to you is, the way I've set it up now, it's easier for the next person if they have to add a socket to this circuit. Yeah. What I'll do is take up another floorboard, one of these short ones.
Okay.
Like this one here. Dami, go ahead, mate.
Push it through.
I'll push it from underneath there, so it goes. Straighten them out now. Let them straighten out. Yep. Alright, sweet. Nice one. Cut it down. Sometimes we try and knock it out. Put it over there, let me see. Because I was thinking, yeah, over there. I was thinking of doing the connection in the back of it, but we'll do it in there. Bring the other one through as well, the singles. Oh no, just a minute. So we've got two reds, two blacks. Right. Okay. We've got to be careful because this wall, this is not much of a wall. I think this might be a breeze block. That's why I let you do this, but I want to make sure that it's done. Make sure there's nothing on here. Yes. $28, you said, yeah?
Yeah, just above. It's about.
28 here, yeah?
Yeah, just above.
Oh, okay. We'll put it the same height rather than go 40.
Yeah.
That is 7 footers.
Did you see the Okoli fight? It was terrible. Yeah. It's not a nice feeling.
Hold it up a bit, man. That's it.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Put them through. So, measure the distance, Dami, from to the bottom. Here we go.
Yep. 28.
Okay. Put it back up. Measure it and put a hole through one of it. Right, you hold the plates. Okay.
Is that the right height?
Yep.
Let's have a look. Right, let's get your level on it. You know what? Sometimes when you drill this breeze block, you don't put it on hammer because it just widens the hole.
Oh.
Because it's so soft to drill. So you do one first, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That holds it in place.
And then level it and then screw the other one.
Level it like this.
Screw the other one.
And then you do the other one. So, oh, beautiful.
Oh,
Brilliant,
wow.
isn't it? It's really good, man.
I'm gonna buy that.
Yeah, it's good. That's wicked. Yeah. All right, mate. Look, you got sleeving, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, just connect that socket, yeah? And I'll work down here, see what I can see. And you can just get on.
Do you want me to twist the earths together or?
No,
Okay.
separately. No, when you work with me, mate, never stitch, never twist the earth together.
No problem.
Right, okay, what you do, right, get them prepared and I'll come back to you, yeah? Get them prepared.
Done.
Right, that's all good, but what I usually do, just to make sure, is
Oh, you fold it over, yeah.
bend them over so they both go in there. Right, so yeah, what we're going to do is make sure when you do this, right, because sometimes I think I told you this before. You can just be pushing the sleeve in there,
Yeah.
not the thing. So you have to make sure you've got it. It's just the earth that happens so many times. That's why you get loose connects with earth. Right. Okay. So you pull on that there. Okay.
Here, use that one.
Yeah, you can screw that back down.
Mm-hmm. You have the screws.
Here we go.
Okay.
Right, so there we are. That's all done. Dami's going to do the ZS now. So go on, mate. See what's going on. Okay. Take that out. Okay, so right, 0.34.
I think that's what.
That was the one over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, what it does, it records the ice at the top because I've got it set here.
Okay.
Okay, so leave that. Change the right hand knob to 30. Right, and change that one to 1 in the yellow. Right, press the test button now. 27.8. Okay then, mate. Take that out. That's cool. Just have to take once. All right, Dami. So it was 30.
0.34, 0.2.
No, 27.8 and 0.34. That's what we have to remember. Okay, Dami. Is that your first socket install?
Second.
Second. Okay.
Second.
What was the first one?
I think we've done it with you with Zeng's house.
Zeng. Zeng. Oh yeah, we've done quite a few. But this is different, isn't it? Because on the floorboards,
On the
you haven't done one
floorboards,
of these, yeah?
So this is the first.
So what do you reckon?
Yeah, it's not too bad, but I'm getting the hang of it.
Yeah, well, you get the. I mean, if we was rewiring a whole house, then then you'd be. I could just leave you to get on with stuff, but because this is occupied, you don't want to do too much damage, so I have to take the lead in most of it.
No problem. That's okay.
Yeah. Okay, so that's all that's sorted. It was good for Dami to experience doing a job like that. He's never done one. Installing cables onto the floorboard, especially with tongue and groove. Mainly come across that in council flats, really, because in old houses it's just normal floorboards, but in council flats where they've put down floorboards, it's usually tongue and groove. So that was a good experience for him. I'd have liked to get him to do a bit more, but you have to be careful when you're working in people's homes. You know, he's learning the trade. He can easily do things wrong, and don't want to cause too much damage. But the more I keep getting him in to do little things, the better and better he'll get. So hopefully I can do that. If I get a job and it's going to be good for him to do, I'll call him in. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.